Hey guys, it's Thomas here. Hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to the channel. And today I want to talk about my new Notion template. I can give you a brief overview of what it is and how it looks like and how it works. And today we have TraceFlow RTM. And RTM stands for Requirements Traceability Matrix, which I know sounds a little bit technical, but basically, RTM is a great methodology and a very useful tool for anybody who's involved in project management, software design, product design, development, etc. So basically, any project manager or teams that need to measure and track requirements, test cases, and issue identification in the project life cycles. So let me show you how my RTN template looks like. Basically skipping here the toolkit. It's put together pretty simply as all of my templates. I really try to keep the templates simple so that people using these can adjust the details according to their processes and their needs. So as all my templates, this is relatively simple, but I hope it's hope that's for the better. So the template is composed of three linked databases, which are the requirements, the test case database, and the issue database. And you can access all of these here. And you can, of course, add new items or new cases for each of these here. But basically, all of these three databases are displayed on this one page to keep it like really easy to use. So let me show you and explain what these are about. So let's start with the requirements list. So imagine you are a product designer and you're creating a new digital product, and you basically need to create a requirements or feature requirements for this product. So in this case, very simple. The requirement is user login. The description is here, what the system should do, and then we have all these core parameters like who's the owner of the requirement, what's the priority, what's the status, etc., etc. And then this requirement is linked to the test case and any identified issues, which I will go through. And in addition, of course, this space here in the page is a great place to store any further details about the requirements, right? So here we have the steps that this particular feature requirement should do. We have the expected results, and we have any documents or further documentation, basically, that you can just link here or store here. So that is the requirements database. Then we have the test case database, which basically creates a new test which is linked to this particular requirement, such that this basically helps to understand the testers, what's to do and what is in the testing pipeline. Very similar to the requirements, there is a place to include further detail, of course, for each particular test instance. And then lastly, we have the issues database, and this is basically the outcome of the testing. So if there are any issues identified in the testing phase, this is where you track and record any bugs or any issues that popped up. Like, for example, here, user cannot log in, and what we have here is the issue description. For example, here, steps to reproduce. So this is a toolkit for the developer to be able to reproduce the error that has been observed. So that is pretty much it. Of course, for each of these, we have different views. We have the table views, the Kanban board views, separate views for each of the databases, of course. But as I said, this is something that I see as as a template for you to play around with. Depending on your particular company or team needs or the processes that you use. But I think that the Notion is a pretty cool tool to use this, because you can keep everything very much organized. There is a great way to kind of enrich all of these with much more depth and detail that your organization or team might require. So that's really it. This has been a short overview of TraceFlow RTM for Notion. I hope you found this helpful, and if you have any ideas or feedback on how to improve this template, I would love to hear from you, because your feedback from people who actually use the template is absolutely invaluable. So I would really appreciate any thoughts or comments. And if you think this is something that may be helpful for you, you can find the link to the template in the description to get it. So thanks again, and have a great day, everyone.